Sa pagtalakay kung paano maging isang advocate para sa mga bata at individual na may special needs, binigyan diin sa programang Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal ang kahalagahan ng pag-unawa, pagmamahal at aktibong suporta mula sa pamilya at komunidad. Binigyang halaga ang paglikha ng isang lipunang inklusibo kung saan ang bawat isa ay tinatanggap at nabibigyan ng pagkakataong umunlad. Ang mas malalim na talakayan at mga kwento ng inspirasyon, panoorin natin.
Sa episode na ito ng Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal, pag-uusapan natin kung paano maging advocate para sa mga bata at individuals with special needs at kung paano sila mas maunawaan at matutulungan ng pamilya at komunidad.
Most of the children would not really show who they are when they are outside. But you'll see inclinations to what their strengths are, for example, music or art or painting or drawing or some things like that we can leverage on and really hone from a young age.
And remember, every child is unique as your fingerprint. Pero may mga bata na nangangailangan ng extra support at understanding dahil meron silang special needs.
So through that, with the parents' input, pagka pinagsama-sama mo yun, you'll find a good program that would best suited for your child. Once you give them that support, parang susi, pagka mahanap mo yung susi ng treasure box, you'll really see that treasure just come out and you'll be amazed.
Dito pa rin yan sa Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal, your TV doctor sa tapat na gabay sa malusog na pamumuhay.
Ang kumpletong panayam na yan mapapanood na mamayang gabi 8 p.m. sa Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal bago ang PCSO Lotto Jackpot Pairing Games.